I carry the weight till the day that
I was born in the coast out of nowhere. Hands full of scars, still I go there. Run through the hurt like it owes me. Still every mirror look says you don't know me. Mud on my boots, black on my breath. Each step forward feels one step left. I fought for a home with a cracked up heart, but the wound in my chest never let me start. I hear those ghosts in the back of my head telling me I'm best when I'm half dead. So I bite down hard, let the rage stay lit. Still the same old ache in the fist I grip.
still I crawl through the black and red.
Never enough, never enough.
Never enough, though I bear this pain.
Never enough, never enough.
Voices echo through my hollow chest. I keep bleeding for a life I can't read.
Come back to the break. I wore my hurt like a second skin. Try to heal it all, but it pulled me in. You can call me tough, you can call me cursed. I learned how to smile when it felt like a hearse. I've got a fire, but it burns too low in a room in my soul.